100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony. With the
Dow's
big
over
mics,
$50,000.
juicing up
I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
No, you did.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right. Absolutely fantastic. There's everybody right there. Boom, boom, boom. Having a great time in China. Yesterday was another absolutely legendary day. I am still riding that QQQ entry from here. I've scaled it, but one of the best trades of the year by far. As were the SPX trades, the SPY trades, the NVIDIA trades. The freaking MU trade was absolutely gangbusters again. And I kind of want to talk about this MU trade a little bit here. First of all, caught that whole move, and we had also caught, I believe, this gap up here. Yeah, so we banked on it without staying in it. Currently I'm in some 820s in case it gaps over, because 820 has yet to hit. Ping pong, motherfucker, from here to the ghost now hitting after hours. I would like to see it hit during market hours or potentially gap over. Now, tomorrow's pattern, again, early low, but we have another trend change brewing. The last one caused this sell and then the fucking massive recovery. So I'm currently long ES off of here, off this low. But yeah, in the during IB session and the hour following tomorrow, so for the first 2 hours there is a risk of a big sell picking up and starting a correction. If not, it is very likely that we keep going higher. And the next place that we have going higher obviously is this cluster here, which is not too far away, and this is a classic wall into the close. We've already surpassed it during futures, come down to retest, and are now seeing if we're gonna go higher. So the plan for tomorrow is to, as I mentioned on boys, hold on to runners, play around with the stop losses, keep moving those. And then after QQQ, it's already, the price target has already hit on QQQ and NVIDIA, I gather, as well. Let's see if NVIDIA hit. I think it already hit. No, it hasn't hit yet. So that's the price target. After that, I am, we planned out the week really well. We executed exceptionally well. I made a crazy amount of money. I am not gonna give it back. I don't know if, obviously I'm moving into my apartment on Sunday or Monday, so I'm gonna put out the MA video, watch it just to prepare, and then less trades next week, because Warsh is now your Fed head, and this China summit will be over, and the energy crisis and the war will be at the forefront. And then after that, the market has consumed this narrative so much, it's gonna want a new carrot, one probably being NVIDIA's earnings that are coming up, but something greater than that. We need new carrots for the market to keep this going. But for Thursday and Friday, it's gonna be me hunting those MU and SNDK YOLOs and having some fun with some small games. You don't have to bet a lot to possibly make a lot, right? And then I don't know if this clarity thing happens today or not. I do want to say, as far as the June pullback, etc., more and more, just looking at the internals, I am thinking the market is so on autopilot right now, unless something drastic happens. we are literally gonna be doing this. We are gonna do a pullback here after a few days here, and then we're gonna rally into the full moon, and then there's gonna be very choppy. This is gonna be rotational chop, and you better make sure that you have money here, okay? And for election night, I can already say the only thing that you need to be buying is JPM. If you know, you know. This is absolutely hilarious that we are at all-time highs, and we just pulled off a Head and Shoulders that returned to its origin. Therefore, this should go higher again. Just saying, just pointing out the data here. If you surpass 750 and 753 this week, you're probably going to go visit here, come back test, and then again, I've said it for months now, but 825 is my target, and they're starting to stack gamma there already. So Trump accounts are gonna come online. We're gonna get the new Fed narrative with the FOMC at the end of June. So it is your job not to ruin your fucking good looking port by trading a bunch of chop bullshit, and become more disciplined, right? We're gonna do it together. Big expiration could give a move here either way, and all eyes on crude oil. With that said, absolutely massive week, guys. Holy shit, yesterday was crazy, the day before that was crazy. God bless, and yeah, don't be fucking choking on Nutella. Spread it, baby.
We're riding with